In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize toolbar icons in Google Chrome step by step so you can clean up your browser, keep the tools you use most in easy reach, and hide the icons you don't need. Whether you want to pin your favorite extensions, rearrange them for a better workflow, or adjust Chrome's built-in toolbar options, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's look at the easiest way to control which extension icons appear on the Chrome toolbar. At the top right corner of your browser, you'll see the Extensions button, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click that icon to open a list of your active extensions. This menu shows every add-on you have installed, even if some of them are hidden from the toolbar. Now, if you want an extension to stay visible on your top bar, just click the pin icon next to it. Once pinned, that extension will appear directly on your Chrome toolbar, making it faster to access whenever you need it. This is great for tools you use all the time, like password managers, grammar checkers, screenshot tools, or productivity extensions. If you ever want to hide one again, simply click the pin icon a second time. That will unpin it and move it back into the Extensions menu inside the puzzle piece button. This is a useful way to reduce clutter while still keeping the extension installed and available when needed. Next, let's talk about rearranging the toolbar icons you already have pinned. Chrome lets you change the order of your extension icons so you can place the most important ones exactly where you want them. To do this, move your mouse over the icon you want to move. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the icon left or right along the toolbar until it reaches your preferred spot. After that, just release the mouse button. This may seem like a small change, but it can make a big difference if you use Chrome every day. For example, you might want your most used extension closest to the address bar, while keeping less important icons farther away. Organizing your toolbar this way can make your workflow feel much smoother and more efficient. Now, if you want to customize some of Chrome's native features, not just extension icons, there's another option you can use. Open a new blank tab in Chrome. On that page, look for the Customize Chrome button in the bottom right corner. It usually appears as a pencil icon. Click it, and Chrome will open a customization side panel. Inside that panel, look for a toolbar section if it's available in your version of Chrome. From there, you may be able to toggle certain browser features on or off, such as the Google Lens shortcut, reading mode, or history icons. This is helpful if you want a cleaner browser interface, or if you only want the essentials showing in your toolbar. Keep in mind that some options may look slightly different depending on your Chrome version, your device, and whether you're using a desktop or laptop. But the overall process stays the same. Use the Extensions menu to pin and unpin add-ons, drag icons to rearrange them, and check the Customize Chrome panel for any built-in toolbar controls. If you want a neater browser, start by keeping only the icons you actually use. Too many toolbar icons can make Chrome feel crowded, but when you organize them properly, everything becomes easier to find and faster to use. A clean toolbar can also help you stay focused and avoid distractions. And that's it. Now you know how to customize toolbar icons in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful browser tips, Chrome tutorials, and everyday tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.